the this is the current usually circuit diagram we usually do. The impulse is given on HV side of the R phase and keeping all phase connected, and it is again connected to the oscillogram and then connected to the RD. For 11 kV we put 75 kV pulse, then for 33 kV we do 170 kV pulse. Very microsecond duration we put this pulse, and we usually see in oscilloscope the current and voltage nature. Measurement of winding resistance usually we do
Hello. Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Just wait. Wait. Maybe there is some network issues. Wait. As soon as the voice is going, you all are unmuting yourself. Just wait for a second.
Okay, ma'am.
Sir, we are unable to hear you, sir. Sir, you have been muted, sir. Parthu, sir, you are on mute. Nirmal, will you kindly check?
Hello.
Can you unmute, sir?
Sir is disconnected. Sir, network issue.
Okay. Okay. Then we'll wait for a while. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Pathuputim, sir, has been disconnected. There is some network issues, maybe. I would request all to be patient for a while. We are trying to contact sir.
Sir is not available. Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Minmoy?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir, you are audible.
Okay.
Yes, I would request everyone to be there. Wait for a while. We'll inform you. Whatever it is, we'll inform you. There are already few questions in the chat box. If any of you have any question, you can put it there now. As sir is not available, you can use the time to put your questions, note your questions.
Right now I am available. I have lost my
Yes, sir.
connection, I think.
Yes, sir. Now you are audible, sir.
How long I was not there, I don't know, because I was putting my lecture unknowingly that I have been disconnected.
Okay. Sir, you were that special type of test, impulse test, lighting test.
God, it was so maybe 10 minutes I am out of the connections.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Almost.
My God, so many slides I have already passed through. My God. Special test? Acha, DVDF I have gone through.
Not this slide, sir.
My God. This routine test measurement of winding resistance.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Can you
This
kindly guide me which slide I have just
yes,
just
sir.
this one, that the type test,
Sir,
lighting impulse.
yes, sir. Yes.
34, sir. 34. Slide number 34.
34.
Yeah.
Slide number 34. My God. So this is the
34.
lightning impulse test. Usually we do it. Lightning
Yes,
impulse
sir.
test usually do for what we do in lightning impulse test is we usually get a sine wave. We usually do in the factory in a machine. We sine wave is chopped and magnified in such a manner that the lightning impulse, this impulse is being put in a single phase at a time. Suppose in R phase at a time, in successive manner, we put that impulse over there, and then we put other phase we are connected and R. If we do that, if we for 11 kb systems we do the 75 kb pulse, and for 33 kb we do the 175 kb pulse through that particular machine or instrument, and we put the oscilloscope connected to that circuit, so that we can see the voltage and current waveform. When lightning impulse we put to that particular phase at a particular point of time, and we analyze the current and voltage waveform through the oscilloscope connected to the circuitry, and in that way we can come to know that this transformer was very much withstandable to this lightning impulse or not. Now we come to the routine test, the measurement of winding resistance test. Winding resistance test we usually do through the digital resistance meter for HV side and LV side, for phase to phase and phase to R. And if the resistance comes in a proper value and it is identical for each phase, so we can say that this test is okay. Then the insulation resistance test we do through the application of the Megger. So for HV side we use 5000 volt Megger. For LV side we use LV side means the 11 kV side. We use the 1000 volt Megger, and our recommended values as per IS specification is for HV side is 2000 mega ohm and for LV side is 500 mega ohm. Then we come no load loss test and load loss test to know whether the transformer loss component is properly or not. So I just want to give you some loss measurement circuitry. What we do, it's a very simple circuitry, but basically what we do, we keep one thing in our mind while we doing this test or conducting this test is the rated voltage. We apply the rated voltage to the LV side in case of no load test. We apply the rated current to the LV side in case of full load test. Suppose for no load test